What the heck? How did it break? Oh my gosh. I don't know how it broke. Another afternoon, another vlog, brother. If you're new to this channel, I'm Danny G Vlogs. You guys are the Danny G Vloggers. We are the Mustad team on YouTube. That is a verifiable fact. So, you saw what happened to my microwave in my kitchen. I was cooking pepperoni rolls, and you can't have a silver rain or else apparently it'll explode. I knew that, but I guess I didn't think of it at the time. I just wanted pepperoni rolls real bad. It's tough. I had to clean it up real quick and all that stuff. Hope you guys being positive, being the best you can be. Always not afraid to be different, doing it different is what we're about. We are, every day we change. Hopefully I put a smile on your face. Hopefully I do all that stuff. You guys are awesome. I have a band later. I have this paper I have to write. It's a persuasive letter. It's supposed to persuade my classmates to do something, and mine's about persuading them to switch sports from like football to basketball. So I'm working on that. It's super hot out. It's like 81. I love this weather. Super nice, but it makes you feel itchy sometimes. And it's gonna be this hot like this whole week. It's gonna be nice, very nice. There's a lot of bees out because it's really hot. There's a lot of flowers to pollinate. Honestly, I don't mind bees because they help with the flowers. But you know what bug I really don't like? It's wasps I don't like. Wasps just creep me out, and they can sting more than once. Bees only sting once and then they die. But wasps, they can sting 100 times and they won't die. That is insane. Alright guys. Well, I am doing a giveaway today. Hopefully I'll get that figured out. I'm gonna put it in the description, a promo code for V-Bucks. First one to comment, like, subscribe is the first one to get it. I'm gonna put it in the comments, and in the description you go to the link and then you'll have it sent right to you. And I'll figure that out. If you guys know how to do that, then leave in the comments below. That'll be much appreciated, because I don't know how. I never done it before, never did a giveaway of anything before. It is really hot out here. It's very, very big heat storm. Heat wave. I like it. Alright guys, hit that subscribe button. Kick it if you have to. Give it a little nudge. And I will see you tomorrow, cause it's every day. Peace.